Hey everyone at Courage Cheer. Today I'm going to show you how to get this really pretty purple smoky eye paired with a red lip. It's quick and simple and it's really fun to do, so let's jump right in. So start off by gently patting some eyeshadow primer across your entire eyelid. This is great because it creates a smooth base and really helps your eyeshadow to stay put. Next, grab your eyeshadow brush and using the fluffy end, pick up some of the navy matte eyeshadow. You're going to sweep it back and forth across the crease to start building that smoky effect. Then switch the dome-shaped end of your brush and picking up more of that navy eyeshadow and press it into the outer corner of your eye for extra depth. Now take the foam eyeshadow applicator and apply the dark purple shimmer to the outer corner of your eyelid, blending it towards the middle. Next, use the foam applicator again and pick up the light purple shimmer and press that into the center of the eyelid and towards the inner lid. Now you can soften everything by using a clean, fluffy eyeshadow brush and sweep it across the inner lid through the crease. If you feel like the eyeshadow look needs a little bit more pop, you can go ahead and pat more of the lighter purple shimmer onto the center of the eyelid, and you can use that foam applicator again or even your fingertip. You can also deepen the outer corner of the eye with more of that darker purple shade for more of a pop. Now grab a Q-tip and swirl it in that white gold shimmer. Swirl it right into the inner corner of your eye for a bright highlight. Now it's time for eyeliner. So line your eyes from the inner corner to the outer corner. I like to smudge mine with an angled brush to give it a softer look. And if you want something bolder, you can add liner to the lower lash line as well. Apply a couple coats of mascara to bring out your lashes. If you're wearing lashes, you can follow along here, or you can also check out my separate tutorial on magnetic lashes for more instruction. Trim the lashes if you need to, and then get started by applying a coat of magnetic liner from the inner corner to the outer corner of each eye. Add a second coat, and then let it dry for about a minute before placing the lashes. When placing the lashes, I like to set the lash down so that the center of the lash meets the middle of the lash line on my eye. That way the lashes will be even on both eyes. Once they're in place, take a clean angled brush and gently press the lashes onto the liner so that the hold is nice and secure. Now it's onto lips. So wipe your lips clean of any product. To keep this color transfer proof, you're going to want to avoid any lip balms, chapstick, or gloss underneath or over top. When your lips are dry, apply a thin coat of the lip color across your entire lips. And that's it. Your purple smoky eye with a red lip is complete. Have fun this season, and we're sending you good vibes for all your comps this year.